Today we're going to make some painted paper to get ready for our project. First thing you need to do is get a piece of paper. We're also going to have a messy mat underneath it because there will be some messes. And write your name and your class on it. And flip it over. My helpers are going to get a lid of yellow paint first, and then we'll have a lid of red paint later. Every person in the room is going to have a sponge. So, first thing, your sponge is going straight in the yellow. And then we're going to bounce around on your paper. And dip it back in. Remember, this is not a ketchup and french fry situation. We are not trying to scoop up the paint. You are just dipping straight in. And then we bounce around on your page. So straight in, out, and bounce around. And try to go clear to the edges. That's why we have our messy mat. And yes, your fingers are probably going to get dirty too when we're holding it down. Once you have all your yellow on there, take your sponge and we're going to stick it in the red. And we're going to bounce around a little bit, but not as much as we did with the yellow. And then it's okay here and there to take your sponge and twist it. And when you do this, parts of your paint are going to mix. So this yellow is going to mix a little bit with your red, and that will give you what color? Yellow and red make orange. Yellow and red are primary colors, and they make orange, which is a secondary color. So I've got a little yellow showing. I've got some orange on my page. Looks all bouncy and happy. And when we are all done, pages filled in well enough, then you'll have to listen for directions about where all this stuff goes. And we do not wash our hands until we are all done making our mess, because you will get dirty.